What's up, everyone? This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude here. I'm on the Brooklyn-bound N train. We're left Times Square, 42nd Street, and the next stop is going to be 34th Street, Herald Square. Right now, I'm in the process of helping some people get to 8th Avenue in Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving Canal Street. That means we're leaving Manhattan and entering Brooklyn. Okay, we are now leaving Atlantic Avenue Barclays Center. That means we're now in Brooklyn. Next stop is 36th Street. Okay, we are now leaving 59th Street. That means the next stop is 8th Avenue. Alright, this is 8th Avenue.
This way?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
See you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That's it for this adventure. This is Sonic 3D Blast Dude. I'll see you next time.